Skin Whitening Miracle Formula by Simple Beauty Secrets. For this we need orange, honey, lemon and sugar. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of honey, squeeze orange juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix properly. We will scrub it on skin with the help of a lemon slice. You have to rub the lemon slice along with that mixture for 20 minutes. After that, clean with a soft cloth. You can find the difference. Now, let us prepare a mask. For this, we need 3 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide removes all scars and lightens the skin. Now, add 3 teaspoons of shea butter. It moisturizes your skin. Now, add some orange juice and mix well and make a thick paste. Now, apply this mask all over the skin and leave it for 30 minutes until it dries. Then wash it off with a cool water. Apply this paste regularly to get better results. You will get bright, light and glowing skin. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.